Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Bluebird PS23-35 faster pruning shears represent a highly professional solution for the care of vineyards, orchards, and olive groves. With a cutting speed increased by 30% compared to previous models, these shears offer excellent performance, ensuring efficient pruning of both dry and fresh branches. The ergonomic design and reduced weight of just 970 grams ensure optimal handling even during prolonged use. The robustness of the materials, including Swiss SK5 steel for the blades, guarantees clean and precise cuts, while the interchangeable mobile blade extends the product's lifespan and enhances its versatility. Progressive cutting also allows the tool to be adapted to different pruning needs, offering greater control. Among the advanced features, the two cutting openings stand out, which can be selected based on branch diameter, along with an informative display that monitors activity and indicates battery status. The complete absence of cables and the interchangeable lithium batteries positioned at the base of the shears make usage even more practical, eliminating any movement limitations. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.